He went through. Hey.
I tried my friend's XM3s a while ago, and that changed my life. I know you've been saying that's exaggerating, but I did. If it's your first time like having a noise cancellation headphones, you will feel like like how I felt. You feel like I felt like my ear unlocked the ability to hear every molecule of sound in songs. And I know it sounds like I'm exaggerating, but it is true. If it's your first time having a noise cancellation, that's how it feels like. Now, today we will be unboxing and reviewing the XM5. So, welcome to my channel. My name is Benjamin, and we'll be diving into the world of audio to review the Sony WH-1000 XM5. The whole name almost took my breath away. Why is it so long? If you know why the name is so long, just comment it down below for me. And so let's find out what's the hype about. The headphone comes in this case. The case feels strong and durable. And when we open the headphones up, the case up, you can see the headphone comes in here. It looks a bit used because I've been using it for a while, so hence the fingerprints all over the black model. And inside the case you can find the charging cable, USB-C to USB-A, and then the jack. That's what it is in the case. So in case you want to travel, this is good for traveling. You put it in there, you close it, and then you're good to go. But it is a bit bulky. I don't know how much this will fit in your luggage, but it is quite bulky. The headphones are lightweight, it's lightweight, and the ear cups is very comfortable with the new Sony says it's called the soft fit leather. That's what they call them. And it has 4 microphones on each of the ear cups. So 3 on the outside, so 1, 2, and 3 on the outside, and 1 inside the air cup. XM5, it doesn't fold like the XM4s, and it's not even water resistant, it's not sweat resistant, so you can't even use it at the gym. Plus, when you're wearing them, this is how you wear them, and if you want to rest them, why does it rest like looking up? So in case any water or anything, it will just fall into it and you damage your earphones. So it's a bit weird to wear it, and this, you don't want to be wearing earphones on your neck like this. The only way is just to rest in your head, which is also, maybe it's not weird, maybe it's normal, so you might also rest on your head. But the good thing is it comes with 30 hours of battery in this, and in case, maybe just in case you run out of battery and you're in a hurry and you want to have your music on, Sony claims that with just 3 minutes of charging you can get 3 hours of playback time, so that's also great. The headphones have exceptional sound quality and features. The over-ear design are very comfortable to wear for long hours. Also, at a higher volume, some sound leakage may occur, so in case you're blasting your music out loud in a very quiet environment, this might be of a concern. Most of the Sony headphones comes with the Sony app, so you can customize a lot of your audio settings for your headphones on the app. And when you turn your headphones on, it connects to your device extremely fast. That took like a couple of seconds to connect. So this is the app. Okay, I think the app is very intuitive. So it has an adaptive sound control which adapts to whatever thing you're doing, and then you have your sound. So there's this feature that is speak to chat, that when you turn it on, if you're speaking to someone, right, it will stop the music and then play it when you stop talking, but it's a bit defective. So every time, even if you're singing a song, it will still stop the music. So it's not that great of a speak to chat, but it is very good for some people, I guess. And that is, you have your system, your services to choose from, and then your status of your headphone. Pretty intuitive app. Noise cancelling is working very well. The plane engines are on, and we're trying to see if the Sony WH-1000 XM5 works perfectly. It does work perfectly. So, despite all the drawback of the XM5, the headphones without a doubt have an impressive audio experience, and of course a top-notch noise cancellation. So if you're willing to invest and you like a good audio quality headphones, this could be a game changer for you. So thank you guys for watching and tuning in on the review of these headphones. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, to help a little small YouTuber out, and also for more in-depth review and tech discussion. So until next time, happy listening, guys.